Hello, how are you all? I hope you are okay. What are we going to do? I'm going to do a casserole. So we will see the casserole. Of course, I have done this casserole not with fish or chicken or meat or anything, vegetable casserole. So see how I am going to do this casserole, right? So before that, I want to do something. I have to do roasting of this bread also. We will do that and then start off the casserole. First thing what I am going to do here, I have cut some bread and kept it. Normally what I do is I take the French bread and do. Now today I am not using the French bread. I am just using the normal bread which I have cut into triangles with a little butter on. Either mustard cream or garlic cream that we can use it. Right, that you know what I am going to do now? Just roast it slightly. And normally what I do is I roast it on the baking tray, or like this you can roast it and take it. I have got all the vegetables, you can see. Till that is done, you can see I have got red pepper, green pepper, potatoes I have half boiled, and tomatoes, carrots, onions, capsicum, everything is there. So we will see how it is done. Right, now that is done. We will see what we are going to do with that. With carrots. Put the carrots. So now I am going to put a little oil. While I stir fry this, I put a little bit of coriander leaves, mint leaf. Coriander and mint leaves also I am putting in. Straight away when you put, you have to be very careful. Keep a spoon or something and then put this mixture. Half boiled potatoes, right? Again I put a little coriander leaves and mint just chopped up and put. It gives a better taste, that's the reason. This is half boiled, so you have to just stir it. We'll use the red and green pepper, a little oil. Pepper, salt and pepper. Coriander leaves and mint. We have some more things to do, so we will finish that. Capsicum without seeds. Separately we are using so that it will have all the seasoning into it like. Onion rings. Mint and coriander leaves I am using to get a good flavor of that, right? So please remember what I am using here. Along with that, I'll just put these tomatoes. After putting the tomatoes, I have offed it. Nicely put it in layers so that it will be really nice and tasty. Now that is done. Now we are going to do the sauce for it. So we will see how the sauce is done. Fresh milk I am using. I put a little here. I have put 1 cup of milk and half a cup I have it here, and I want to make a little bit of corn flour I have to put and mix it nicely and put it into this. Salt, pepper. This time a little bit of chili flakes. So I will put a little water, a little bit of corn flour, not a lot. It should not be too thick, not too watery. A teaspoon of butter. Cheese. I have off the cooker and I am using the cheese. Cheese, if I put, it will get melted. Now pour it over. The balanced cheese, we will put it here. This is the casserole that I have done for you so that it will be nice to serve, and it goes in nicely all over. Coriander leaves and mint leaves we have already put. Now this is only parsley for decoration. This casserole is served, right? We have put only vegetables. If I want, what will I do? If I want, I can use fish, boiled fish or chicken. Now you can see how I am going to taste it like. So when you are tasting it, you can have it like this. It is delicious and it's tasty also. Can you see this? And it's very nice to serve like this. It's so yummy. I hope you will also enjoy. So you can use with chicken, fish, whatever you want. First you boil it, then you stir fry and use it along with the casserole, all these vegetables and all that. And then when you make the custard, milk, corn flour, butter, and if you like you can use an egg also. Beat it up, mix it into that and pour it over once it is thickened, and it's like a white sauce with the cheese. So nice, delicious, and you are going to serve with bread, toast bread, garlic bread or mustard cream bread. Try it out and see how it comes. You will enjoy, and I hope you will love it and your children will love. All your home people will like it. Try it out and you have to comment on it so that I will know how you feel about my preparation of all these food. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll meet you soon with another episode so that I will give you more and more different type of preparations. Thank you. Bye.